everybody, welcome to another video and welcome to Taipei. Today I'm checking out one of the most famous hiking spots in Taipei, and that is Elephant Mountain. It's a relatively easy hike. If you're in pretty good shape, you can do it in 10 or 15 minutes. And if you want to go further, there's plenty of hikes up past Elephant Mountain. You can check out some of those in my video right here. But if you're looking for a relatively easy hike and some good views of the city, Elephant Mountain's a pretty good one. It's right next to the metros, and a lot of people go up there during the day and at night to get some amazing views of Taipei 101 and downtown Taipei. So I hope you guys enjoy. Also, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second and it helps me out a lot. That's it, everybody, for my brief tour of Elephant Mountain. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. Also, please check out my China videos, my Hong Kong videos, my Thailand videos, my Philippines videos, my Taiwan videos, my Kung Fu videos, and my hiking videos. And I'll see you guys next time.